Godel's incompleteness theorem basically tells us that there are statements about math that are just unprovable. Math as a tool used to make sense of the world is made out of many rules. Example, if A is B, then B is A. Obvious but crucially important as context. These statements are called axioms, and for a long time mathematicians thought that there were a certain set of axioms, a list of ground rules that could be used to prove anything in math to make it complete. Godel said no. No matter how many axioms you have in your system, you just aren't proving certain things. To broadly simplify, axioms like this one can often be translated into English where they actually mean something. Godel did something like this for Godel numbering. Just like how you associate plus with addition, Godel associated math symbols with numbers. Same goes to variables and prime numbers plus 12. Godel would assign a given statement its Godel number by looking at a chain of prime numbers and exponentiating each prime number to the Godel number of the symbol itself, giving each Godel number a unique property, allowing us to quote-unquote talk about math. Using this line of thinking with a system of math without contradiction T, Godel was able to get this statement G, which is provable in T and looks something like this. Directly translating this from math, you get something along the lines of G is true if and only if the negation of the proof of G's Godel number is true in the system of math T. And if you translate this into what is effectively English, it says that G is true if and only if there is no proof for G in T. That is to say, you can't prove this. Now, if this is true, then we have a statement about math that we can't prove, and if this is false, then we arrive at a contradiction because we can prove G through that statement, leading to the formal conclusion of the theorem: if T is consistent, then G is true but not provable in T. With this, Godel said that if you have sufficient axioms or rules that can prove basic math like addition, then you'll get stuff that's true but not provable, making math forever incomplete.